Hi guys, Rachel here with Properties by Rachel White. I'm doing an open house today out in Aubrey. So just wanted to show you guys. I'll be here until 2 o'clock. Let's take a look at the house. Nice yard and landscape. 2-car garage. Come on in. Entryway. And a home office set up to my left. Also a laundry area to the left and a storage closet. Storage area. Entrance to the garage. Nice open and airy layout. Stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. Dining area and living room area. Right here to the left is the owner's suite. Some light, there we go. Walk-in closet. Check out these window seats, really, really nice. And of course you have the ensuite here. Nice walk-in shower. Okay. What do you guys think? This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, about 2,100 square feet. Nice and comfy, cozy. On the other side of the home is the second bathroom, guest bathroom. And the 3 guest bedrooms are also right here. And the storage closet. There we go. Oh, let me show you the cute patio outside. We can come out here and relax, entertain, or maybe just have coffee in the morning, listen to an audiobook. Nice fenced-in backyard. Yeah, so I will be here until 2 o'clock today. If you want to schedule a private tour, you can do that as well. Just go ahead and slide in the DMs. Let me know that you're interested. Thanks for joining me, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. If you or anyone you know would like to buy or sell a home, give me a call. Thanks, y'all. Bye.